Hello everybody, Jeffrey Benson right here. In today's video, I will show you how I make money that I gave out in my previous giveaway. The link right here. So why am I doing a giveaway to my subscribers? So the reason why I'm doing a giveaway to my subscribers was because I promised a 100,000 naira giveaway if Dr. F-Wayne, the biggest South African forex trader, if he follows me on Instagram. And he's only following just that 80 people, and I'm one of those people that is following. So that's the reason why I say I'm going to be doing a 100,000 naira giveaway. And in doing this giveaway, I don't really want to put in my money that much. So all I just did is the money that I have, I funded my account on Xnest with $120, and the link to that Xnest is in the description box if you want to sign up. Xnest have a very high leverage and all of that. I signed up with $120 and I flipped the account to a reasonable amount. So I'm putting out 100,000 naira from there, and I'm going to be giving away to my random and lucky subscribers. So this video, there's a disclaimer. In this video, I'm going to be doing a breakdown of my strategy, risk management, and my psychology at each point in time. All right. And also note that this does not happen every time. It's a high risk form of trading. Flipping, it can go against you. A lot of things can go wrong. This is me risking. Sometimes I'm risking 25% of my account, risking 50% of my account. That's because I'm ready to lose it all. I'm aware. So I'm not a financial advisor, so do not try this that I'm trying to do here and you lose your money and think that I misled you. No, it's something that I've really been doing for a lot of times. I've been doing this for like 4 years now. All right, before I started learning, I failed for 1.5 years. So there are a lot of stories to this thing. So if you are just listening to this video, you're just watching me for the first time, and you want to learn how to trade and also flip your money, make sure you watch this video on Beginner's Guide. So I have all of these videos for free, and I also have a strategy that I also use here too. You also can also check this one out. It's definitely going to help you. So check all of my other videos. So I've made videos on FTMO, proprietary frame, also trading conservatively. So I don't only trade aggressively. As a matter of fact, I started trading aggressively because people felt that the amount of money I was trading with proprietary frame were only demo account, and they were fake. So I just want to show you that I can also trade small account, and as well as I also trade huge account. So if you are interested in watching how I trade huge account with proprietary firms and you're making profit for yourself and be able to travel and do a lot of other things and afford a lot of things, you may want to check out my channel. And remember to subscribe if you do like this content. All right, so hit the like button, subscribe, take your favorite drink, and enjoy while I show you this account transformation. All right, here you can see on my computer screen, I just want to show you guys how I came about this analysis. So I sent out this analysis to my Telegram channel. So the link to the Telegram channel is also included in the description box, just in case you want to follow up. All right, so on this Telegram channel, here's where we currently have about 8,731 people. And on the chatting platform where you can ask questions, we have 3,197. So any one of them, feel free to follow and share your opinion and your thought at any time. All right, so upon saying that, you can already see on my screen, this is a huge one. This is a big account. This is 96,000. It's a proprietary firm account. So I went negative. So that's why you're seeing here. I'm currently making 1,200. Still on the same trade. I have them all stacking right here. All right, so let me take you to the analysis. All right, talking about the strategy. The strategy is super straightforward. One issue to understand about the strategy is I use psychological level. So let me pull up a plain GBP USD chart. I should be using Oanda for that. So on Oanda, I have it plain. Oh, there's still some drawings right here, but never mind, no problem. I'm going to break everything now, right now. So this lines at psychological level, which is 1.42500, psychological level 1.4200, 1.415, just like counting 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, like that. So that's how this works. So all I'm just going to be doing right here is I'm just going to be waiting for price to touch on my psychological levels and give me price action. When I mean price action, it could be a W like here, or it could give me weak rejections like here. So that's why I had a lot of orders right here. So when price got here, it did a W like this. So you can already see this was a W, correct? And upon seeing this one, I just knew, oh, it was time for me to go long. So that's why I see I went long at that point, and oh, it was like this. I went long at this point, and from here I did something like this. So that's why you see that sniper entry at the bottom. Now let me show you what I mean by the sniper entries on my phone. So as you can see, this setup here, and on my phone right here, this is where I entered at the bottom there. All right, so this was the account. I said I started with $120. So let me show you the history. So this is today's date, and let me show you. Yeah, on if I put it last week, you see that I never had money on this account before. Yes, I just funded this account with $120. So you can see it was a transfer that I did into this account, $120. So right now I've made more than 100%. All right, more than 100%. So as sometime the one I shared on my Instagram, and the link to my Instagram will also appear on my screen right here. The one I shared on my Instagram, it was 300 plus. The equity was 300 plus. So what that simply means, if I closed as at that time, I would have been $300 in profit as my balance. All right, so now these trades I'm still holding them. All right. So the reason why I'm holding them is because I want the stop loss is still there. That's because I want to add more positions today. So if I'm adding more positions, it should move me up, maybe somewhere around the target that I already have set on my trading view. All right. So now, what is the risk parameter to all these things? All right, so talking about risk parameter, all I just did was just go to babypipscalculator.com. So once I get here, I just put in the amount of money I want to risk. Now, the reason why I put in $120 was because I knew that I want to start giving out 100,000. For me to give out 100,000 naira equivalent in naira should be somewhere around $300. Okay, thereabout. No, $250 should be $250. So in doing that, so I started risking 25% of my account, and I'm doing 20 pips. Right, so this is just the fun of it. I don't do this every time, but I just want you all to know that I'm not really losing much giving out this money. So in risking 25% of my account, yeah, I'm going to be losing $30 if this trade whips all against me. That's for my first initial one. So I have to start with 0.515 rather 0.15. All right, so I have to split this one, start entering in multiples and all of that. So that's why you see my entries on my phone here. The entries on my phone right here, you can see the lot sizes were 0.5, 0.5, 0.02, 0.15, so like that. So the biggest is just 0.15. So I'm not really scaling in too much. So if this trade whips, so I'm not going to be losing too much. So I'm going to be breaking even right now in your presence. So that's why I've not broken even at all. Even on the other one on my laptop, right here on the laptop, this big account, I'm not breaking even. So you can see all the stop losses right there. The stop losses are here, all right? So I'm going to be breaking even. At first, this one was in about $3,000 profit. So if you move here, that's one very good thing about stacking. All right, so I've been able to explain the strategy. I've been able to explain the risk management strategy is just using psychological levels and trend line. Whenever price bounces off at this level, like this is a psychological level, this is 1.41500. As price is bouncing here, or maybe one price got here and gave me a W price action pattern, yeah, I'm just definitely going to go long. So that's all I just look to do. And here is also an area where I look to go long. So let me go on my the trading view, the one I use, which is FSCM, trading view FSCM. So I put a gray area right here, which is this one right here. So upon price getting there, that's when I started loading it in, which is what you already saw on my MetaTrader 4. All right. So whenever price gets to see, I send this out, watch all our conferences at this bottom, all conditions met already. So I started telling people to start getting in right here, and which is what I also send out on my Telegram. Here on my Telegram, I send out. So here. So this was before the trade even happened at all. So I started sending that. It almost killed our stop loss, but it didn't. If you watch closely, it didn't. It didn't touch our stop at all. Like that's, you need to have a tight brokerage, a broker that gives you. So that's why there are links in my description box that is going to give you a very good broker to use. All right. So it's after. So this is going to be successful because I'm very sure it's definitely going to be successful. I'll be doing it for a very long while. So after the flipping of this account, I'm going to be doing the giveaway later today in the evening. So it is after the giveaway, that's when I'm going to be releasing this video. All right. So it's just my job. All right. See you guys later. And I believe you guys enjoy this content. If you do enjoy this content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notification. And also comment whatsoever you want me to lay more emphasis next in my subsequent videos. All right. Whatsoever you want me to lay emphasis on in my subsequent video. What don't you really understand in trading? I'm really here to help. It's not about the money. I'm not charging for anything. I'm putting out this content here right here because of the love I have for the community, and I want us to really expand in this community. I don't want to know where you are from, whether you're from United States, whether you're from Nigeria, whether you're from South Africa, whether you're from UK, whether you're from the Asian region, whether you're from anywhere, North America, anywhere, we've got you. Whether you're from Europe, we've got you covered right here. So hit the subscribe button and let's flip the account together. All right. Bye and see you next time, guys.